Hey, what's up everyone? I will be going on a work trip very soon and I wanted to share what that process looks like. So I will be sharing what I pack on my trips when I travel, heading to the airport, going out to eat, my morning routine. I won't be showing my actual building or what I do or in the office, but it looks a little something like this on a day-to-day basis. Responding to emails, working in spreadsheets, and attending meetings. I recently ordered new luggage because my other small suitcase got peed on by cats and I did everything I could to clean it and wasn't happening. So I got this one off of Amazon. I believe it was about $46. It's just a 20-inch roller suitcase that is carry-on size. The only downside is I noticed it doesn't have the expandable zipper, but that's okay, I can make do. The culprit that ruined my other suitcase. You're not about to ruin this one, okay? So I got that, and then I got this backpack that is also luggage style, so it opens and expands outward, and I could stick stuff in here as well. Unfortunately, they sent the wrong color because I ordered black because I like to have everything match, and they sent this blue-green color. So I processed a return off to drop this off tomorrow, and they'll send a new one. I also got this one because it has the little strap to stick on the suitcase, like so. That's my setup that I'm going with, and the reason that I do that is because I'm only traveling for 4 days. If I'm traveling for a week, I can usually fit all my items in a military-sized backpack, which I have. But this setup works for me because I can put my laptop in my backpack and I can pack all my clothes in this and I can just carry it on the plane with me. And it's lighter weight to distribute it in 2 different items, and I don't want to bring a giant suitcase because I don't feel like checking bags half the time. So once I get the corrected color in, I will film what I pack and take with me on my work trips. So my replacement came in, and just to show you, there is a pocket for clothing and a pocket for your laptop. Here's what I usually take with me in my carry-on. My toiletry bag, which I'm not going to go into. It's just my toothbrush, toothpaste, makeup, skincare, all that fun stuff. My journal, which I try to write in most days just to put my thoughts down before I go to sleep because it actually helps me fall asleep faster. Wet wipes. I always bring these when I'm going on a plane because I like to wipe down the seats and trays since I know they don't have time to do that in between flights. These are plug-in headphones from JetBlue. I do fly JetBlue occasionally, but this flight will be Southwest. But I always keep them in my carry-on anyways, just because I don't want to misplace them, and I really only use them for the airplane. These are my glasses, which are in a Ray-Ban case because I didn't have one for them, so I keep them in there. I don't wear them all the time, but I definitely need them when I'm looking at a computer screen for a long period of time. My wallet, of course. Hand sanitizer. I usually just clip this on my backpack, and I have one of these tags on them. This is a lock that's actually going to go on my suitcase, but I also keep one on my carry-on as well. Chargers for my iPhone, and then I'll bring my charger for my Apple Watch. AirPods. Can't live without these. If I don't have them, I'm screwed. Actual sunglasses. That's about it. I also, of course, bring my work laptop and my work charger and my badge, but I'm not going to show that. So this will all go in my backpack. I might bring a book with me. These are the 4 outfits I'm bringing. They are all t-shirts with business pants. So black and white striped shirt with black pants, gray shirt, black pants, black shirt, plaid pants, and a white thicker t-shirt mock neck top with plaid pants. And then I'm also bringing a thicker cardigan because it does get cold in the airport and the office, and it goes with everything. It's going to be warmer, I believe, during the daytime, so that's why I'm choosing short sleeve shirts. Also bringing 1 set of pajamas. I do shower every night when I get back to the hotel, so it stays clean. And of course, my underwear, socks, all that. It doesn't take up a whole lot of space. That's why I'm usually able to travel out of a backpack for a week, because my clothing is fairly small because I'm petite. So those are my outfits, and I'll share them every day that I'm there in the mirror when I get dressed. So that's that. Room, bedroom, bathroom, TV, coffee bar. Yeah, really nice little hotel room. So I made it to my destination. Flight wasn't delayed. Went straight to the office when we got off the plane, got the rental car. I'm driving a Mazda 3 hatchback because I'm familiar with Mazda and it was available from the car rental. I actually like it. It's very nimble. It's fun to test drive new cars too when you have rental cars. We're staying at a Marriott Spring Hill suite. The Spring Hill suites are definitely nicer hotels for the Marriott brand. I like to get the smaller king size bedrooms because the 2 queens is just way too big and it's kind of creepy feeling when you're by yourself. Ended work at a reasonable hour. Went and got dinner. I got a Euro. They had Greek food and Italian food. Now I'm at the hotel. I'm gonna unpack, relax for a bit, collect my thoughts. I made a list of stuff I gotta get done tomorrow at work. The weather's pretty nice. It's not snowing, being in the Northeast. So because I'm only traveling for 4 days, I do end up hanging up all my clothes. So I've got my outfits for the remaining 3 days, my jackets, underwear, suitcase, toiletries, brush, curling iron, and I took all my jewelry off, so I'm about to take a shower and get in bed and relax. These are always my favorite bathrooms because of the mirrors that they have. It's very modern looking, very clean, very nice. Close this. Day 2 is done. I'm back in the hotel room. Got out of work around 5 p.m. but started a day around 6:30 a.m. Got a lot done. For dinner we went to this really nice little restaurant. I got shrimp and chicken. It was so good. The weather was really nice today. It actually got warm. Unfortunately, I think it's gonna rain tomorrow and Thursday, so we'll see about that, and hopefully my flight home on Thursday doesn't get delayed. Every day is pretty repetitive. I wake up, get coffee in the lobby of the hotel or in the room, go to work, leave, go get dinner with coworkers, and then come back to the hotel. I'm gonna take a shower, get ready for bed, relax, try to catch up on some sleep. So day 3 is done. I just got out of work. It's about 5:15. It's been raining all day, really crappy weather. That's why I put my hair up in a bun. I'm gonna go back to my hotel room and drop off my laptop, my backpack. I'm really not hungry, but should probably eat something. So I got back to my hotel room. I ate my leftovers from yesterday for dinner instead of going out and getting dinner. Because this is my last night in the hotel, I'm going to take a shower and get cleaned up and pack my bag with all my dirty clothes. Just leave out what I need to change into tomorrow. I should be home close to 9 p.m. assuming the weather is okay. It's been raining and it's not fun. But I was just craving candy. I had to get some. Last night, I got like 9 hours of sleep because I was so tired. I'm fairly awake right now, but I really don't feel like watching anything on TV. I just scroll through my phone, fall asleep.